Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Odyssey air filter. First, ensure you have the correct replacement filters and a few basic tools, like a screwdriver. We will cover both the cabin air filter, typically found behind the glove box, and the engine air filter, located under the hood. Changing these filters regularly helps maintain your vehicle's efficiency and air quality. To access the cabin air filter, begin by opening your glove box and removing all its contents. Next, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to release it from its hinges. You'll then need to detach the small dampener arm, usually on the right side, by unhooking it. Finally, locate the rectangular housing cover for the cabin filter and unclip it. Once the housing is open, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter, as this is crucial for proper installation. Now, insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction. Finally, reattach the housing cover, rehook the dampener arm, and snap the glove box back into place. Now, let's quickly address the engine air filter. Pop your hood and locate the large black air filter housing, usually near the engine. Unclip the housing, remove the old filter, and drop in the new one, ensuring a snug fit before reclipping. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Regularly changing both filters helps your Odyssey run smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.